Hey guys, it's Pokey J, and we are back with the seventh day of opening a random pack. I decided today that we would do another Destin Rivals. Like I was saying in one of my previous videos when I opened this pack, I am really hoping to pull an SAR, pull that Mewtwo, something like that. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. Tallow, we got Slugma, Meditite, Wash Rotom, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Orjapon, Zubat, Archer, and we got a Zamazenta. That is it for day 7. I do want to thank you so much for tuning in, and PokeJ is out.